Everyone, my name is Simon. I'm 4 years old. I have 4 members in my family. My father, my mother, my brother, and me. My dad often works abroad. My mama is very attentive to my study. And my brother often takes me to play. I love my family. I have read over 200 books. And my favorite book is Little Environmental Guardians. In the book, small animals help protect the earth. Let me tell you. The seagull is leftover food in the sea is the ocean cleaner. The crow is bugs on the ground is the ground cleaner. The little fish is trash in the river. It's a freshwater cleaner. The dung beetle can roll sheep and count them into balls. It's the grassland cleaner. The gorilla says, we can do some more things that we're able to do. So, starting the day, I'll do these things. First, save water. Turn off the tap after washing hands. Second, love plants. Don't pick flowers or step on the grass. Third, save paper. Use both sides of drawing paper. Last, turn off lights. When leave the room. Everyone, let's act together. Let's make the sky blue, rivers clean, and keep Mother happy forever. Thank you for listening.